What is your full name?
My name is Alex Johnson.
How do you spell your first name?
Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago in the USA.
Who chose your name?
I think my mom did. I haven't actually asked that question before.
Where were you born?
I was born in Milton Keynes in England.
Is that a city or a town?
I think it's a city. They always refer to it as a city.
Do you have a favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color is orange.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I don't really listen to too much music.
Do you have a favorite musical artist?
I love Taylor Swift.
Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, my favorite season is autumn.
What do you like about autumn?
I love the colorful leaves, the cool air.
How many people are in your immediate family?
Do I count the dog and the cat? If so, 4 of us.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother called George.
How old is your sibling?
My brother is 23, my baby brother.
How often do you see your sibling?
Not as often as I'd like.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm just married.
How would you describe your wife?
Lovely, beautiful, very camera shy.
How old were your parents when they got married?
My mom was 24 and my dad was 28.
Do you have children?
No,
Do you plan to have children?
I would love to have children.
What does your father do for work?
My father works with sports pitches.
What does your mom do for work?
My mother was a swimming teacher, and now she's a housewife.
What do your parents do for fun?
My parents love spending time with the family. We always have such a laugh.
How would you describe your parents?
So kind, lovely, wonderful.
Do you live in an apartment or a house?
We live in a house.
Why did you choose your current home?
It felt comfortable, warm, and welcoming.
How did you find your home?
With great difficulty. It took a very long time, but it's worth it.
Is there an item in your home you could not live without?
My dog.
What pets do you have?
I have a cat and a dog.
What are your pets' names?
The cat is called Alfonso, and the dog is called Diego.
Do you have a garden?
I do have a lovely garden.
Do you and your wife have specific duties around the house?
No, I'd say we share most things.
What time do you eat breakfast?
Around 7:30 to 8.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I always have porridge. Every single day, banana porridge.
What do you prefer, coffee or tea?
Coffee. I'm a bad Brit.
What is your favorite food?
Fruit, fruit, fruit.
How often do you eat fruit?
At every opportunity.
Do you like to cook?
No, I love eating.
Do you prefer to eat at home or eat out?
I love eating out, but I also love eating at home. I can't choose.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's a French restaurant called L'Artisan.
What is your favorite cuisine?
Spanish cuisine, because it reminds me of when I lived there.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I would say carrots, because they're crunchy and sweet.
How would you describe yourself?
Enthusiastic and always learning.
Are you more like your mom or dad?
My mom. I'm more like my mom.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family in nature.
Are you shy?
No, I feel comfortable in most situations.
What animal would you use to describe yourself?
I'd say a lion for its confidence.
How many languages do you speak?
2.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
Can't we have both?
Do you like to travel?
I enjoy traveling.
What country would you like to travel to?
I always want to go back to Spain. It's where my heart is.
Do you have plans to travel in the future?
Yes, lots of travel plans next year.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
We went to Germany. We did a 2-week road trip.
What was the last concert you went to?
The last concert I went to was a festival when I was 20.
What is your favorite mode of travel?
I like to fly.
What are your hobbies?
I really like running, cycling, and making videos on YouTube.
What was the last movie you watched?
Catch Me If You Can. Great film.
Can you sing?
Only if I've had a drink.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I do. I play the violin.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Never, because I work with a language and it confuses me.
Do you like watching sports?
Of course.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
I like shopping for clothes, but I hate online shopping.
How often do you buy new clothes?
Not that often. I wear the same thing a lot.
Do you read fashion magazines?
No, I don't really read magazines.
Do you have a preferred color to wear?
Yes, I love wearing blue.
Do you prefer formal clothing or casual clothing?
I always like to be just a little bit too formal.
What do you do with your old clothes?
I donate them.
Take out your notebook and write down your answers to these questions. Then rewatch the video and answer the questions as they come up. This practice will help you speak more fluently, smoothly, and confidently. Speaking out loud will bring you closer to speaking English naturally.